What's up, guys? Happy Monday. I'm excited to show you a print-on-demand niche that is selling really well right now with a lot of potential as far as different ways to spin that niche. I call it sub-niching. So what I'm going to do in this video is share with you what that niche is, give you some current sales projections using some Amazon seller tools that have the ability to generate that data, and then we're going to look into ways we can capitalize on this trend. So if you're ready, let's get started. Quick reminder, take advantage of the free weekly print-on-demand giveaway. The link's at the top of the description. And this week, 2 winners are going to be randomly selected and announced on Sunday. They're going to receive a license to Merch Titan's upload automation, Merch Ninja research tools, all sunsets, premium pre-made graphics, and Bubble Scout, my go-to Redbubble niche research and validation tool. You can find a link in the description. Shout out to those sponsors. Also in the description, I've got a 7-day Merch by Amazon mini course completely free. Just need your email and I'll send you 1 lesson a day if you want to take advantage. And I've got a great Merch by Amazon Facebook group if you'd like to join. All right, so the niche that I am referring to is Twosday. Not T-U-E-S, but T-W-O Tuesday. All right, and we are approaching the ultimate Tuesday. Does it actually fall on a Tuesday, by the way? Did anybody actually check that? Let's see if it actually falls on a Tuesday here. February, it does. Wow. All right, guys. This is, I don't know. I haven't seen the Matrix 4 yet. I know the new one just came out, but man, are we living in the Matrix here? We got 2022 falling on a Tuesday. The rabbit hole gets deeper, guys. We're going further down the rabbit hole today. Anyways, joking aside, there's some money to be made in this niche. So as you can see here, there's a bunch of different ways you can kind of approach this from a design perspective as well. I don't think it's, I don't think there's like a predetermined color scheme that necessarily works better than others if you want to sell text-based designs. And, if you want to introduce graphics and whatnot, I've got a bunch of different shirts to show you in this video that'll hopefully inspire you so that you can go in there and at least upload a few designs. Like if you're in tier 10, these are the types of, this isn't necessarily like the best of the best as far as like, oh, I'm in tier 10, how do I get out? I need a niche that can generate me some sales for free. Because sometimes there are those niches that come along where the BSRs are like, 10,000 and under on page 1. This isn't that good, but this is still relatively new. And well, after this video, a lot more people are going to know about it. But that being said, like this is a good example of a niche as well that anybody who was doing their niche research regularly, like daily, they probably would have stumbled on this pretty early. Also, somebody figured it out. You know what I mean? Somebody figured out that 2/22/22 was on a Tuesday. So I wanted to show you the best seller in this niche currently has a BSR of about 20,000. So just under 20,000. And it is projected, according to Jungle Scout, to be doing about 63 sales a day. And that would be about 1,900 sales a month. And it was just uploaded 8 days ago on the 2nd of January, 2022. So not bad. Not bad considering like 1 week later, they're just crushing it. And here, if I run Jungle Scout on the entire first page of search results, after searching for Twosday, Twosday, spelled it right, thank you. I know. Here we go. Medium demand, low competition. Don't really trust that as far as, Jungle Scout's mainly an FBA tool. It's not as good for merch. So I don't really worry about the opportunity score when I'm doing merch research. FBA, I would. But here we go. So when I sort by sales, it looks like it left out the bestseller. For some reason, it didn't make its way into the results. But, here we go. So these are just like general shirts that are not necessarily bestsellers. By the way, when it's a new niche, there isn't typically one product that's like cemented at the top with 300 reviews. You know what I mean? So that's always nice. You don't have to compete with anybody that's been around for years. So everybody kind of has a, even playing field within reason. Of course, this shirt, probably one of, if not the first posted to Amazon, certainly has a great design as well. Great color scheme. So that's going to be tough to compete with. But so here we go. Tuesday, you got a lot of, and I'm going to talk about keywords in a second. So let's look at the sales. 10 sales a day, 8 sales a day, 7 sales a day, 5 a day, 6 a day, 4 a day, 5, 4, 4, 4, 4. So as you can see, you can go into this with an expectation of, at a minimum, making a sale in the next month, right? Like how many niches can somebody realistically give you the projection of, hey, you're going to make a sale and give you a time frame associated with it that's in the near future. I mean, it's pretty rare. Anybody that's going to be honest with you, but I think this niche actually holds that kind of potential, and we don't know how big it's going to get. Remember, most people that will actually buy these shirts, they're not thinking that far in advance right now. You're going to see these shirts probably peak in the week leading up. You know what I mean? They're not always going to have that little Christmas. Remember before Christmas, the text would be green and it would say arrives before Christmas, and then it would flip to red and our sales would drop off. Well, it's not going to do that for people that want this before 2/22/22. But at some point, they're going to notice that it won't guarantee them delivery before that day, and then sales will definitely drop off a cliff in this niche. So it is January 10th. We have a month and 12 days. I didn't actually count the number of days, but let's just go ahead and say 40 days, 40-ish days until February 22nd, assuming you're watching this video on the day I release it. So we have quite a bit of time. As far as keywords and tags go, yes, keywords and tags, implying you should upload this to Merch by Amazon, but you should also upload it to Redbubble, to Etsy. By the way, I've got an exciting Redbubble video coming this week, so make sure you're subscribed because you're not going to want to miss this one. Pretty interesting one. As far as keywords go, teaching second grade on a Tuesday. You know, even if your shirt's not about teaching second grade, you can still try to get indexed on. This would be a good usage of, in Merch by Amazon, your bullet points, right? Because you don't need, if your shirt's not about teaching second grade on Tuesday, it's okay to get indexed on those keywords and assist the algorithm in understanding that those keywords may still be relevant to somebody that is searching for them. You know, your shirt may be relevant to them, even if you don't necessarily say in the design something about teaching second grade. Maybe your design just says teaching, right? Or maybe it doesn't say teaching at all, but if it's still a Tuesday shirt, a teacher can still go wear it. You see what I'm saying? So the bullet points is a great place to get indexed on keywords like that are more fringe relevant. And if you sell through Seller Central, there's a backend keywords section called search terms. And there you can put even more fringe related keywords that you want to be indexed on, or you can do like translations and whatnot. Like I'll do like Spanish translations and put them there, etc. But here you go. So you got like teaching second grade on Tuesday, 2/22/22, 22nd February 2022, funny teacher, funny teaching, teacher day, math, second grade students. So I kind of just like copied these from the best-selling listing because they keyword stuffed. I'm not necessarily endorsing keyword stuffing, but hey, if you're going to go and look at keywords, look for relevant keywords, it's not a bad place to start to look at the people at the very top, like the apex position. And like I said, the people in the number one spot, I don't think they're in the number one spot because they keyword stuffed, by the way. I just think that they keyword stuffed and had a good design and were early to the niche, etc. As far as sub niches go, so I promised some sub niches that you can attack in this Tuesday niche. So here are a couple of my favorites that I found. So on the left, you got teaching second grade on a Tuesday, 2/22/22. Notice just from I don't want to make this video about design, but I love that they have white text, white text, white text, red text. And what word did they put in red? Oh yeah, the main keyword associated with this niche, Tuesday. It's not a coincidence, right there. And it's kind of like a vision orienting system. Like where does your eye go? Boom, red text first, Tuesday. Second thing it does, it goes to the top, teaching, Tuesday, teaching. You got the red apple, you got the date. So kind of like guide people's eyes when they look at your designs. Behind me, teaching my second grade nomies on Tuesday. So they're going and grabbing other teaching sub niches and cross niching them with Tuesday. This is something that, you know, sharp merch sellers that have been at it for a while, that's what they do, right? I'm guessing it wasn't a new merch seller that had the foresight to do that. I'm just guessing. It could have been. But yeah, you know what I mean? If you're going to go after the teaching angle, well, go look at all the various teaching niches that are popular, mix them with Tuesday. On the left-hand side, I'm in second grade on Tuesday. You got one kind of design style. Behind me, you got a more elementary design style. It says, I'm in second grade on Tuesday. This one says Happy Tues-Day. And then it says underneath there, Tuesday, but spelled the correct way, Tues day. And then 2/22/22. So I actually kind of like that because it commemorates that it actually fell on a Tuesday, you know, day of the week. This one, teaching second grade on Tuesday, another design style, more distressed. By the way, I love that this is a text-only design, but doesn't it feel like it's getting like more bang for your buck? I guess there is an Apple graphic in there, but they did a great job with like contrasting the font sizes, the colors, etc. I love the distress. Here's another one, 2/22/22, and they're using the word cloud design in there as well. It says expect great things, Tuesday, 2/22/22. Here is a complete word cloud. and it's filled with relevant keywords. Tuesday, February, Tuesday, 22nd, 2022, etc. By the way, if you guys don't know how to do word cloud designs, I will link to it, my tutorial right here in the description of how to do it on Creative Fabrica. They have the best word cloud generator that I've worked with. I'll also link to that video in the description in case you just want to click the link there. It's on YouTube, so I walk you through how to do word cloud designs like this, where you can upload a custom shape and the custom words and the custom colors, everything you need. And it's however hard you think it is right now, it's easier than that. I promise. Much easier, actually. Taco Tuesday. Boom. Somebody's really thinking outside the box here. Taco Tuesday. TWOSDAY. Because it is Taco Tuesday on a Tuesday. The ultimate Taco Tuesday. Hey, anybody who loves Taco Tuesday, by the way, you got to get one of these shirts right here. The ultimate Taco Tuesday. You're not going to one up that. This is another popular design style, guys. You literally just take the text and you just alternate it, like row after row after row after row. And then you just change the color of the text on each row. So simple. And these shirts, by the way, I didn't include the BSRs, but like all of these shirts are making sales. All of them. They have like a 200,000 or below BSR. And like I said, I anticipate the BSRs will continue to improve as we get closer. I think right now is early, and we're seeing good BSRs early, so I'm excited about this niche. Here's one where I did include the BSR because I actually should have covered it up and then made you guess what it was, because I was surprised when I saw this BSR. So it's Tuesday crossed out my birthday, 2/22/22, right? I mean, guys, like there is what 330 million people in the United States. And you could probably sell these globally as well. But you know, what's 330 million divided by 365? There's a bunch of people born on 2/22/22, or you know, 2/22 at least. So yeah, the birthday angle. Who would have thought that it's selling this well, this far ahead of the date? All right, guys, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching until the end. Please like and subscribe if you have not already. Before I leave, I wanted to remind you I have a full Merch by Amazon course walking you through how I went from tier 10 to tier 200,000. Covers everything you need to know and then some to start, scale, and automate your business, including research tips to help find these niches, including design tips to help design the best designs in the niche without needing to be a good designer. So you can find out more using the link in the description. But thank you guys for watching this video until the end. Have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow.